Hi there, my name is Paul from paulphillips.crew. This video is about Wix.com and the approach they've taken to allow customers and users to build websites quite easily and for them to host it for you. Now, this video is not on actual Wix.com and how you actually create the videos. There's plenty of materials out there, but more of the SEO side and the complications of using Wix. Mainly around the size of the content and how long it takes to load a Wix website. So what I've done today is I've created a Wix website, and I've also created the same similar site from the ground up. Now I've hosted that not obviously on Wix, but I've hosted it on a server. It's HTTPS as it is in Wix, so the time it takes to download should be relatively the same. So today I've just created this standard out-of-the-box website from Wix. I haven't changed anything, exactly the way you see it, and I've published it. Now the main point of this video is, as I said, is the size of how long it takes to download this content to the user's browser. So I'm going to open up Chrome Developer Tools, which is the developer version of Chrome, and I'm looking at the network tag. This is going to tell you how much content and how long it takes to download. So when I refresh this page, I'm going to Control F5 to get a fresh copy. This is going to tell you how long and how many resources it's going to take. And this is what you're going to see in the Wix website. And now I'm trying to scroll. I can't scroll. It's laggy. It's getting there slowly. So the user experience is not great. I mean, I'm on a 100 meg connection, so it's not my network connection. I tested it before to make sure that I have no issues, and it's still going. It's 38.44 seconds. Okay, it's still going. 44.6 seconds. This is what they don't tell you on the TV adverts, any of this side. This is what's going to affect your ranking on Google and other search engines, because it's just too slow. So you'll get penalized for the speed. So really, it's 3.1 meg for a website. It's quite large, but more of it's the time it's taking. It's still going. It's 239 requests. Maybe that's just the background it's doing. So then now I can scroll. Yeah, just from a usability point of view, I know it doesn't do mobile, but it's not responsive. So you can see how bad that laggy is. So to do a comparison, I've hosted a website, HTTPS. I've tried to copy exactly, the only thing I've really copied is the image, this image here, and some of the text. I've added some more boxes and some more icons. I've copied the text about us and the map and the contact us page down there. The content itself is not a massive thing. It should never be a massive time to download a bit of content. This is only just text at the end of the day. So I'm going to repeat the same thing. So I'm going to Control F5 that, and now that's loaded. So it's responsive. It's loading. It's 443K, 829 milliseconds. So its load time is 1.22 seconds. In comparison, and it's loading only 9 requests compared to 246 requests. So maybe a bit less than that. Maybe it's got some response back to the server for some reason. But that's like, well, that's 4.5 meg used just for a website, and it's still growing, so I don't know what it's trying to do there. But this is going to impact. This is going to be impacting your Google ranking for sure. This one I've copied from the ground up. I've used simple bootstrap. This is not from cache. This is everything from the server. This is running on a very low-powered web server. It has 512 meg on it, which is quite small. So I expect to see Wix servers have a lot more power behind it and more memory. So we just do the same thing with responsiveness. See how smooth that is, and then it changes. But that's so it actually changes in the way of the content. Literally, this has only taken me an hour to do. I haven't really tested it properly in a mobile browser or anything like that. But that's not really, so you can see, I've not really spent time on that. But it's more around the content downloading and the full desktop mode. Well, I mean, hopefully this will give you some comparison between Wix and a custom designed website that most agencies would take and provide you, and you see how more responsive this site is in comparison to this one here. I mean, I've left in 5 seconds. It's not loaded up, and I can't use it within 5 seconds, and so I'm gone. I'll go somewhere else, and I expect a lot of users will be the same. This, you don't even see the screen flicker when it loads. Now we do the same thing here. Oh, you're blank white screen. You have to wait for it to load again. And it comes through. This is what you're going to get with Wix. So you see all the nice fancy advertising going on. You don't see any of this aspect. So I'll let you decide. This is try to be a comparison as best as I can, and you can then think about, if you want to go and start using Wix. Thank you. Bye.